6 here, just do repair and tips. And how you guys doing out there? I got this tool I found. I found my old artist tool from school, artist pick. I had it put it away years ago, and here it is. And it's got a lot of use out of it. I've got many years of use out of this, and I'm going to clean it up and restore it. So I'll show you that after I get it restored. I'm going to use a Dremel, make it quicker to do the job. So stay tuned. So I told you I'd be back, and here I am. And we went over it with the wire brush and the Dremel and 225 grit and then 1200 grit to polish it. And here's the results. The results were in. We just got the oxidation off of it. And yeah, I poked myself a couple times. Shit. Yeah, I did. And it's not funny having a wound in your finger. Hurts like hell. So anyway, I got it all cleaned up, and we're going to put it in its rightful place right over here in the clay container with all my clay tools. And here's my, I'm so proud of my bench. And close the drawer here. I added this unit here and a unit in the back. I just slide it over to get at my tapes and my tissue and everything else when I need it. Just slide it back like that. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please see me on Patreon and ring the little bell to the right, and you'll like to do that to get notifications from me. And please click in when you can. Make comments. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.